Welcome back. The markets pierced through 7,900. That may be a bit of a setback for the bulls for sure. That could trigger further sells in algo trades. Important to watch this. 7880 was also mentioned as a support by some technical traders. I think Hemant Takral mentioned 7880. 7,900, certainly get out of your longs was Sudarshan's call. So watch out for that level simply because it can trigger further sells. It's not any number, it's psychologically and as a trading support level important. And Sensex pierced through that, the Nifty pierced through that level. Sensex is now down 210 actually, and 26,000 has been lost. The advanced declines difference has narrowed now. It's now 4:3. 4 in the green and 3 in the red, so the bulls still have the advantage. But look at the way the lines are narrowing their difference. Let's talk about another stock which is in the news. Escorts, the company announced its numbers. They've not been very flattering for the month of December. Bharat Madan, Group Financial Controller, joins us. Morning, Mr. Madan. Good morning. A very happy New Year to you. But what is the sense? Is the tractor industry indicating that January will be better? The December number looks a little troubling.
Good morning and a happy New Year to the team there.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think December, as you see, there are certain pockets in December which are done well. So that's, I think, is the beginning of a trend where we see the industry seems to have bottomed out. So especially the southern and the eastern market has started showing signs of improvement now. So we hope the north and center will also pick up going forward. So we are expecting, I think, still, like you said, because of the base effect, the next quarter is likely to be more or less flattish or slightly on a positive bias. I would say slightly better than the last year. And hopefully, I think, depending on how the monsoon goes next time, probably we'll see a probably good growth coming in next year, next financial year.
Hey, good growth, Mr. Madan, what do you mean? Because, you know, if you look at December itself, domestic sales are at 2,700 units. That compares to almost 4,700 in November. So between November and December, there's been a big fall. What could be the run rate in January and February?
No, so December typically is the off-season month, so it's a normal trend because October, November is most driven by the festive demand, and December the demand tapers off. So this is a normal phenomenon. You see the seasonality coming in every year. So we're not really surprised with the kind of numbers we are seeing. So December has been more or less a flattish industry overall. So we expect January also will be something similar. Maybe it will be slightly better than December in terms of now volumes, which is normally the trend. The January, February are normally the better months than December. But overall, I think in terms of overall industry numbers, we don't expect it will be a major changes, but it will be some positive bias compared to the last year.
So if you can give us some, since you're saying that seasonality has hit December sales, can you give us a quarterly run rate? Because in the quarter gone by, in Q2 as well, your tractor volumes were down almost 25% year on year. Will this degrowth continue in Q3 and Q4?
Likely, if you look at the trend, the industry is falling. I think if from November last year till March, the industry had seen a degrowth of about 30-odd%. And from April to September, the degrowth in the industry was close to 20-odd%. Now, October to December has been more or less a flattish quarter or minor degrowth.
All right. Mr. Madan, I'll have to leave it at that. We've got the man.